Hello and welcome, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. This is me, Aisha Nazir, teaching you better English literacy skills for grade 5. As you know that we have completed our unit number 1, and today we are going to start our unit number 2. And this is very much interesting unit because it's all about animals, and we are going to read different characteristics or different qualities of animals. And the name of the lesson is Friends of the Forest. Friends means companions, or in Urdu we say dost of the forest. Forest, all of you know the meaning of forest, jungle. So, friends of the forest. Now, many kind of animals live in jungle, but not all the animals are friends. For example, a lion or a tiger also lives in jungle, but it is not a friend of deer or a rabbit. Why? Because rabbit or deer is food of the lion. So they both cannot be friends. But there are some animals who have a friendly ties. And now we are reading about them. So starting with the lesson. All of these animals make their homes. Now they say the friends of the forest would they have their homes in or around the forest. In the forest or around the forest they live. The deer is the largest of these, and in all these friends, deer is the largest of these. Now you all know about deer, and I can show you the picture of deer. Here you can see this is a deer clearly with long horn. So come to the topic. The deer is the largest of these. Now deer are herbivores. Now what is herbivores? Herbivores are the animals feeding on plants. Herbivores are those animals who use plants as food. They do not eat meat. जो गोश्त नहीं खाते, they eat plants. They enjoy leaves, grass and berries. It means they eat leaves, grass and berries. Berries is a kind of fruit. Not meat. गोश्त नहीं खाते. They make a burping sound called a groan. Now deer make a burping sound. Burping means expelling gas from stomach through mouth. Sometimes when you are filled, your stomach is filled, the kind of sound that we produce through our mouth, this is called burping. Okay. The male is a buck. Now the male deer is called a buck. They are talking about deer. And the female is a doe. And a female deer is called a doe. The red squirrel is another type of woodland animal. Now what is squirrel? You might have seen squirrel before, but I have a picture to show you. This is called squirrel. Squirrel means gulahri. Here is a clear picture. This is red squirrel. You can see the reddish color. So, the red squirrel is another woodland animal. Woodland means forest animal. It is a rodent. Now, what is rodent? Rodent is a small mammal with sharp front teeth. Now, what is mammal? Mammal is the animal who give birth to their younger one. They do not lay eggs. जो अंडे नहीं देते, they are called mammals. And rodent are those mammals with sharp front teeth. Rodent have sharp teeth to help them cut open hard food. Now they have sharp teeth for what reason? To cut open hard food like nuts. Nuts is a food. Nut is a food that composed of seed and a hard shell. Squirrels gather nuts and store them for winter months. Now what squirrels do? They gather these nuts which are available in summers, and they collect them and store them for winters because in winter they cannot find out these nuts. Rats, mice, and hamsters are also rodent. Now some of the other rodents they are telling us are rat, mice, and hamsters. Now I can show you the mice and the rat. There is a difference. Mice is a small and rat is quite big as compared to mice. And they also tell us about hamsters. Now let me show you hamster. They are hamsters. Very cute and small creature you can see in the picture. Wow, so cute. This is called hamster. So they all are rodents. Okay, they all are mammals and they have a front sharp teeth. The next animal they are telling us about are frogs. Now frogs are small smooth skin creatures. Frogs have a smooth means soft skin and creature means here animals that like wet and swampy areas. Wet means moist, gila, and swampy means muddy. Muddy means daldal type areas. They like to live in the such kind of places. They lay eggs called frog spawn. What they do, they lay eggs. It means they are not mammals. They lay eggs and the eggs are called frog spawn. And little tadpole come out of the eggs. What happened? Little tadpoles come out of the eggs. Frogs have very strong hind legs. Hind legs means back legs. So they are great at jumping. You might have experienced frog while they jump. They are very strong at great at jumping because they have hind legs which are very strong and huge in contrast to their front legs. And I can show you some of the picture of the frog spawn. Yes, they are. Here is frog spawn. Little eggs of the frog, crystal clear, covered. You can see small tadpole inside the eggs. Here in a big huge quantity. Yes, this is the life cycle of frog. You can see an adult frog, it give eggs and from eggs comes tadpole. This is called tadpole. And from tadpole it develop into froglet. Froglet is a small frog which is more like a lizard. And the froglet then develop into an adult frog, a complete frog. You can see the hind legs of these. If I have another picture, yes, this one. This is a complete frog. So we have read about red squirrel, we have read about frog, we have read about deer, we have read about rodent animals, rat, mice, and hamsters. And inshallah in the next video we are going to read about more animals. So thank you for watching the video.